Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platform, which is NordVPN and ExpressVPN. So in 2025, NordVPN and ExpressVPN are two of the best choice. So if you care about online privacy, NordVPN use strong security, including a new post-quantum encryption that protects your data from features tech threat. It doesn't keep log of your activities. Is based in Panama, and which is great for privacy. You can also get extra features like double VPN threat protection and a special server that hide VPN use completely. And also, ExpressVPN on the other hand is also a very safe and easy to use. It runs on RAM only server, which means your data is wiped clean every time the server restarts. So it uses its own fast and secure connection system called a lightweight and is based in privacy-friendly British Virgin Island. ExpressVPN also promised not to keep log, and this has been checked by a dependent expert. So here's the very conclusion. So if you want more advanced privacy tools, go with NordVPN. So if you want something simple and very reliable, just go for ExpressVPN, which is a great choice too, but both are excellent. So it depends on what matters to you most, and that's it.